Hi, kids. So when you first turn on your Chromebook, it'll bring you to the APS Connected Learning and to the portal. And you'll want to log into your portal. When you log into your portal, you can click on the classroom. And from there, you'll want to click on your class. And you'll see my post, Welcome to Learning at Home with Mr. Hughes. Please watch the video below and then post your own video response on Flipgrid. Don't worry, your videos will be set to private automatically, so only I will see them, unless you want me to make them available for the whole class to see. So you would click on the video and watch it. After you watch it, click on the Flipgrid. When that loads, you're going to see these options. You want to choose Login with Google. You're going to choose your APS Learns account. That's very important. You can't post to this unless you're on your APS Learns. Login successful. And then you'll see Learning at Home. How do you feel? There's the video again if you haven't watched it. And then here are the questions. I want to know, how are you feeling? How do you feel about doing school online? How do you feel about the coronavirus situation we are in? What have you been doing with your time at home? And do you have any suggestions for me about online teaching? And you're going to click the big green circle. And your webcam is going to pop up. And then what you're going to do is click record. And answer the questions. So the question that I feel most comfortable answering is, what have I been doing with my time since I've been off? Well, I have been opening up a brand new sketchbook. I prefer brown sketchbooks. And I've been drawing 10 heads a day. And how do I feel right now? I feel pretty good. I'm healthy, but I do miss all of my students. I miss seeing your happy faces. I miss all the different fun we get to have in my classroom. I'm hoping that you get to have fun here too. And I think you can play with these down here. You can change the filter. So you can make your video a different color. You can put text on it, and that text can be colorful. You can add stickers, which is cool. You can even search them. You can move them. You can draw on it. So I can give myself a red curly mustache. I don't know what board is. That's interesting. Whoa, look, you don't even have to have your face in the video if you don't want to. You can completely whiteboard it. You can add a custom sticker by uploading a picture. Lots of cool stuff. And answer the questions. So then it lets you preview it. And after you preview it and you're happy with it, by the way, it does have a 90-second time limit. Let me know if I need to change that. Click next when you're happy with your video. There we go. That's nice. Hit next. And now it wants you to shoot a selfie. And again, you can decorate it. After you're happy with your selfie, and again, you can whiteboard it. You can completely color it and just put stickers. It does not have to be your face. But I do need to hear you. It does not have to be your face, but I do need to hear you. I need to hear your responses, unless you would rather write it down, which you could email me about. And after you hit next, it asks you to submit your video. Display name is the name that it'll show to everybody if it's made public. Again, your videos are set to private automatically, but I can make them public if you want. My sample video response. I don't know what link is. I have no idea what you would even want that for. And submit. And you should see the congratulations. If you've seen the congratulations and the fireworks, you're good. You can download a copy of it to the hard drive of your computer if you want. You can download the selfie if you want. I'll take that. download image. There it is. Copy. And then click complete. And mine's showing up because mine's public. If you don't see yours here on this screen, that's okay, because I have it set to private. If you want it on the screen so your friends can see it, email me, let me know, and I'll release it. And that is how you submit to Flipgrid. I showed this to you because I want us to use Flipgrid for the majority of stuff that we make and for discussions and things, because I think it's easier and more fun. But again, I'm always open to feedback. Oh, last thing, you will get a submission report. You will know that your Flipgrid is turned in correctly if you get an email that says, your video is now on Flipgrid. You are on the grid. And it has links to download what you submitted. Thank you for watching. So only I will see them. And you'll see my post, Welcome to Learning at Home. You'll see